I now want to get to the awards. The Jerry Sachs or Jerome Sachs Award for Outstanding Cross-Disciplinary Research is our first award. And so drum roll. I'm pleased to present the 2021 Jerome Sachs Award for exemplary cross-disciplinary research in the statistical sciences. The NISS Awards Committee was comprised of Jim Booth, Chair, Karen Bandine Roche, Michael Brundage, Jerry Ryder, and Nicholas Jewell. And the Jerome Sachs Award recognizes sustained high-quality cross-disciplinary research involving the statistical sciences. The 2021 Jerome Sachs Award is given today to Dr. Mark Suchard, full professor at UCLA with joint appointments in the Department of Computational Medicine, Biostatistics, and Human Genetics. From the nomination packet, Professor Mark Suchard has clearly earned this distinction. Mark is a prolific researcher with over 230 peer-reviewed research publications, book chapters, and 10 published proceedings and abstracts. Excuse me. Several of Mark's statistical publications have achieved legendary status with over 15,000 citations. Mark's work has been instrumental in placing Bayes factors as the standard model selection tool in phylogenetics. He supervised 15 PhD students, completed, and is currently advising 4 more. Many of his past students have gone on to become highly successful academicians. Among his awards, Mark has received the Savage Award, the Mitchell Prize, Guggenheim Fellowship, the 2011 Ray Carroll Young Investigator Award, and the 2013 COPS President's Award. It's my pleasure to announce Mark Suchard as the 2021 recipient of the Jerome Sachs Award. And he will receive this certificate, which reads, for the highly influential and innovative contributions to the cross-disciplinary field of computational biology, including rigorous mathematical developments, advanced numerical and statistical computing, and software development, particularly in the area of phylogenetics. Mark, congratulations. And with this, I would like to let you make a few comments. So let's see if I can make that easier by stop sharing my screen.
Oh, it's pretty easy in this way.
Okay.
Let me just start off by saying I'm very honored to be here today. And I would definitely like to thank the National Institutes for Statistical Science for their continued support of statistics, but most importantly, statistics at the intersection of domain sciences, and in my case, public health. Today, more than ever, in the middle of a global pandemic, trying to ensure that reliable and replicatable, which we'll hear a little bit more about later, inferential-based evidence really does help our communities forward towards safety. And this is an important, laudable goal, and also a key role to play for many of us as statisticians. So as we move forward, working together at the intersection between statistics and public health, I want to thank you all for your support. Thank you for having me here.
Thank you. And again, congratulations. And I guess you can clap or even unmute and say congratulations. With that, I will go on to the next award. I guess I have to go the other way. Nancy Mcmillan is the recipient of the NISS Distinguished Alumni Award, and it's my honor to confer this award to Nancy. Current manager at Battelle, an organization with over 90 staff members composed of a mix of data and computer scientists. Over the past 25 years, she has been a research leader at Battelle. Her team participates in over 150 research projects each year, bringing data analytics capability to cross-disciplinary research and development teams. Nancy earned a master's and PhD in statistics from Ohio State University in 1993 and was a postdoctoral fellow from 93 to 95. She then worked at Battelle until 1999, and then after 2 years as a professor and a consultant, rejoined Battelle and has served as principal and senior research scientist, associate manager and research leader, and now manager. I'm pleased to announce this award and confer the NISS Distinguished Alumni Award to Dr. Nancy Mcmillan. The citation reads, honoring her distinguished career at Battelle and her leadership in the development of statistical methods and models for a wide variety of complex problems, including environmental pollution, bioterrorism, risk assessment, and forensic genomics. With that, Nancy, I give you the microphone and let you say a few words. Congratulations.
Thank you, Jim. First, it's such an honor to receive this award. I want to thank you for that. I have very fond memories. It's hard for me to believe it was 26 years ago when I was at NISS, starting out a career in cross-disciplinary research, which was really why I went to NISS as a postdoc after graduating from Ohio State. I was there in the early days with Jerome Sachs as the director and Alan Carr as the deputy director. And we were really focused on cross-disciplinary research. And I moved on to Battelle, my whole career has been like that as an applied statistician and now a data scientist with lots of different influences affecting the kind of research that we do to help researchers and scientists with their data understand what they can and can't conclude when they have data to work with. And really, more importantly, sometimes helping them decide what data to collect next, given what they've learned from the data that they have. And one of the things that I wanted to share was that, as it gets easier and easier to fit complex models, it's so valuable to have that statistical rigorous training from the very beginning, that educational background, because the same things that we learned, that I learned, that you learned in my doctoral research and as a NIST postdoc about what can go wrong with samples, with models, with assumptions, with data fitting, all those same problems are there. And these tools really, that education, the statistical education really helps you deal with those. And I feel like I still use it every day at work. So I appreciate the discipline more and more over time. And I appreciate the time that I had at NIST to grow some of my experience as a statistician working with researchers and scientists. So thank you very much.
Thank you. And again, congratulations. So our last award today is to, let's see if I can make this next, is the Distinguished Service Award, which is being awarded to Raymond Bain, who has completed 6 years on the Board of Trustees of NISS. He served on the Executive Committee, the Finance Committee, and for the past 2 years, he served as Chair of the Board of Trustees. Ray is Senior Vice President at Merck and the Division of Biostatistics and Research Decision Scientists. Unfortunately, he was unable to attend today. He had a meeting called at Merck, which prevented him from attending. But his citation reads, for his exceptional and dedicated service on the NIST Board of Trustees, serving as the chair of the Strategic Planning Committee, chair of the Finance Committee, vice chair, and chair of the board for the past 2 years, and for his strong support of NIST, including supporting the NIST Merck meetups. So congratulations to Ray. I think now you can see his award. Sorry.